Hello, welcome to CREATA classes. In this lecture, we will cover question number 2, exercise 13.3, chapter statistics for class 10th students. So this is the question. In this question, the median of the given data is given as 28.5 and we have to find the missing value x and y. If you refer the given table, we are having the missing value of x and y that we have to find. This question is similar to the example number 8 that we have taken down in the previous lecture. So we will go in the same line. Here median is given, so we will not find the median. We will go in the reverse order. Let's see. What is the first step in the question related to the median of the group data? We add one more column called the cumulative frequency. And what is cumulative frequency? We add the frequency up to the row. If you observe, the first column is the class interval and the second column is the frequency, and we added the third column as cumulative frequency. In the first row, the frequency will come, that is 5. In the second row, we will add the frequency up to the second row, which is 5 plus x. Got it? In the third row, we will add all these frequencies, or we can add these two frequencies, it will be same. So 20 plus 5 plus x, it will be 25 plus x. Similarly, in the fourth row, we will add these two, which is 15 plus 25 plus x, which is 40 plus x. In the fifth row, we will add y plus 40 plus x, which is 40 plus x plus y. Further, here we will add these two cells, which is 45 plus x plus y. We got the complete table related to the cumulative frequency. Let's move further. This is the formula of the median. Let's see how we get the various data. Here the median in the question, it is given as 28.5. And what is median? Median is the central point of the given data, the central tendency. Here these are the class interval or the ranges. Can you tell me in which of these ranges our median will come? Our median is 28.5. So this will come in this range. In the range between 20 to 30. Got it? This range or this class will be called the median class, the class in which our median is lying. Okay. Further, what will be this frequency? The frequency of the median class frequency is f. We got the value of f as 20, which is also coming in the formula. Further, here L is the lower limit of the median class. And this is a median class, so 20 will be the lower limit of median class, which is L. And what will be CF? CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class or the class before the median class. And this is the median class, so CF will be this cumulative frequency, the cumulative frequency before the median class frequency. We got CF as 5 plus x. And what is the class size? It is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 30 minus 20. We got class size, that is h as 10. Further, what will be n? N is the total addition of the frequency, which in the question is given as 60. So we got n as 60. So we got most of the values of the formula. Let's put all this value into the formula. Here if you observe, only x is missing. So if we solve this equation, we will get the value of x. So let's solve the equation. On solving, we got the value of x as 8. We got one of the component. In the question, we have to find the value of x and y. We got x as 8. Further, let's find the value of y. Here if you observe, the last term of the cumulative frequency, 45 plus x plus y, it is a total addition of the frequency. Cumulative frequency, it is the addition of all the frequency up to that row. This is the last row, it means it is the total addition of the frequency. And in the question itself, the total it is given as 60. So we can correlate this value with the 60. Here x we have just calculated as 8. Now we can easily solve for y. On solving, we got the value of y as 7. We got x as 8 and y as 7. We got the answer. Got it? This is important question and these type of questions are generally asked in the examination, so you should know it. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10th, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.